Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that mindfulness meditation is not just a trendy buzzword, but it can actually improve your focus and reduce stress in your daily life? Stick around as we dive into Mindfulness Meditation 101 and learn how to start meditating step by step. In today's fast-paced world, mindfulness meditation has gained popularity as a powerful tool to help us navigate the chaos of our busy lives. It's a practice that allows us to be present in the moment, cultivate self-awareness, and find inner peace amidst the external noise. Mindfulness meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries, but has gained popularity in recent years as a way to reduce stress, increase focus, and improve overall well-being. If you're interested in starting a mindfulness meditation practice, here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful practice that can bring peace, clarity, and balance into your life. If you're new to meditation and looking to get started, this step-by-step guide will help you understand and establish a mindfulness meditation practice. Step 1. Understanding mindfulness meditation. What is mindfulness meditation? Mindfulness meditation is a form of meditation that involves focusing your mind on the present moment. It encourages awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Benefits of mindfulness meditation: reduces stress and anxiety, improves focus and concentration, enhances emotional well-being, promotes better sleep, increases self-awareness. Step 2. Setting up your space. Choose a quiet place. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. It can be a corner of your room, a garden, or any place where you feel at ease. Create a comfortable environment. Seating: use a cushion, chair, or meditation bench. Make sure you are comfortable. Lighting: prefer natural light or use soft lighting. Ambiance: you might want to use candles, incense, or soft music to create a calming atmosphere. Step 3. Preparing yourself. Dress comfortably. Wear loose and comfortable clothing to avoid any distractions during meditation. Set a timer. Start with a short duration, like 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase as you get more comfortable with the practice. Use a gentle alarm or meditation app. Step 4. Getting into position. Find a comfortable posture. Seated posture: sit with your back straight but not rigid, hands resting on your knees or lap, and feet flat on the floor, if sitting on a chair. Cross-legged: sit cross-legged on a cushion with your knees below your hips. Lying down: if seated is uncomfortable, you can lie down, but be mindful of staying awake. Relax your body. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Allow your body to relax and release any tension. Step 5. Focusing your mind. Choose a point of focus. Breath. Focus on your breathing. Notice the sensation of breath entering and leaving your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Body scan. Gradually focus on different parts of your body, starting from the toes and moving up to the head. Mantra: repeat a calming word or phrase silently to yourself. Bring your mind back. When your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your chosen point of focus without judgment. Step 6. Practicing mindfulness. Observe without judgment. Notice your thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they arise. Acknowledge them and let them pass without getting caught up in them. Stay present. Keep bringing your attention back to the present moment whenever you notice your mind has wandered. Step 7. Ending your session. Gradually come back. When your timer goes off, take a few deep breaths. Gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Reflect. Spend a moment reflecting on your meditation experience. How do you feel? What did you notice? Step 8. Incorporating mindfulness into daily life practice. Regularly. Consistency is key. Aim to meditate daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Mindful moments: incorporate mindfulness into daily activities like eating, walking, or even washing dishes. Focus fully on the task at hand. Join a community. Consider joining a meditation group or community for support and motivation. Starting a mindfulness meditation practice can be a transformative journey. By following these steps: understanding mindfulness, setting up your space, preparing yourself, finding a comfortable posture, focusing your mind, practicing mindfulness, ending your session mindfully, and incorporating mindfulness into daily life, you can establish a solid meditation practice. Remember, meditation is a skill that improves with practice, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey towards greater peace and awareness. The first step in starting a mindfulness meditation practice is to find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. This could be a cushion on the floor, a chair, or even outside in nature. The key is to find a place where you can sit comfortably for an extended period of time without distractions. Once you have found a comfortable place to sit, the next step is to set a timer for your meditation session. Start with just a few minutes and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Many people find that starting with just 5 minutes a day is a good way to begin. With your timer set, the next step is to close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath as it enters and leaves your body, paying attention to the sensation of each inhale and exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may start to notice thoughts, emotions, or sensations arising in your mind. This is completely normal and part of the practice of mindfulness meditation. Instead of trying to push these thoughts away, simply acknowledge them and let them pass without getting caught up in them. As you practice mindfulness meditation, you may find that your mind starts to wander less and less, and you are able to stay present in the moment for longer periods of time. This is a sign that your practice is working and that you are beginning to cultivate mindfulness in your daily life. In addition to practicing mindfulness meditation on your own, you may also want to consider attending a meditation class or workshop. This can be a great way to learn more about the practice, connect with others who are also interested in mindfulness, and receive guidance from an experienced teacher. As you continue to practice mindfulness meditation, you may start to notice positive changes in your life. You may find that you are better able to manage stress, improve your focus and concentration, and cultivate a greater sense of well-being. Remember that mindfulness meditation is a practice, and like any skill, mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for reducing stress, increasing focus, and improving overall well-being. By following this step-by-step guide and committing to a regular practice, you can begin to experience the many benefits of mindfulness meditation in your own life. So find a quiet place to sit, set your timer, and start meditating today. To sum it up, mindfulness meditation offers a wide range of benefits, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving focus and emotional well-being. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you can experience a profound shift in how you navigate the ups and downs of life. I encourage you to take a few minutes after this video to try a short meditation session. Start by focusing on your breath and allowing yourself to be fully present in the moment. Share your experiences with mindfulness meditation in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey to inner peace. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.